Hello there, welcome back to Adonia Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this cutie penguin cake. It doesn't have any fondant cover, so let's get started. I sliced two 6-inch cakes into 4 and iced them, and on top of that I've kept a 6-inch dome cake. Actually it's a 5-inch dome cake cut into 2 and iced. I'm placing a cake card in the center of the two so that it's just easier to cut and serve, and it just adds a little bit of stability too. Place a thin wooden dowel to support everything, and then you start carving. You want the penguin to be slightly thinner at the bottom and have a slight tummy in the middle. So take a serrated knife and carve it like so. Don't cut off too much. Work your way through little by little and until you get the shape you are happy with. The front portion has a little bit more extra tummy in the center layer than the bottom. And once you're happy, I'm just taking some dark chocolate ganache and adding black gel food color. It's 2:1 proportion of ganache. Stick a little bit of ganache on the cake board and add the cake and start applying a thin crumb coat. Make sure your ganache is not very thick and it's spreadable consistency so that you don't take out any cake and you have a nice coating. Once you're satisfied with your crumb coat, put the cake into refrigerator to chill, and then we come back and do another coat, which is a final coat. This is a thick coat. Once you apply a generous layer, take a cake scraper and smoothen out the bottom part. For the top curved part, I like to use my hands, wear gloves, and try to smoothen it as much as you can, like so. Actually, this is kind of therapeutic. It's like a pottery class. It feels really nice. So smoothen the ganache. You can dip your fingers in a little bit of hot water to smoothen out the grooves and crevices, and keep going until you're satisfied. Once you're done, put it in the fridge to chill for another 10 to 15 minutes while we add the fondant decorations. First, I start off with covering the cake board with some white fondant. You can use any color fondant, but I just thought black and white goes really well. So I'm covering the cake board with some fondant. You need not make it very neat, and just make it like, it's like a little bit of cloth on the cake board. Cut it out with a X-Acto knife, and then we'll do the other decorations like so. I'm using fondant mixed with a little bit of Tylose or CMC powder for the feet, the wings, and the beak. And I'm using gum paste for the hat. there you have it. This little cute penguin is all set to trot into a birthday party. I really hoped you liked this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.